Have you ever wondered how our planet's climate has changed over millions of years? Today, we delve into a recent study that reports carbon dioxide levels in Earth's atmosphere, reaching a staggering peak unseen in about 14 million years. In a world where the global energy crisis and increased demand for coal have become daily headlines, these findings serve as an urgent reminder of the escalating climate emergency. The International Energy Agency reports a record high demand for coal, largely due to the rising prices of natural gas and other fuels. This shift to a cheaper yet more polluting alternative is a step backward in our efforts to curb greenhouse gas emissions. The study under discussion today reveals a dramatic rise in carbon dioxide levels, from 280 parts per million before the Industrial Revolution to a worrying 420 parts per million today. The implications of these numbers are severe. Our planet's temperature during the era of high carbon dioxide levels was significantly warmer, with a difference of up to 9 degrees Fahrenheit compared to present day. These findings suggest that our long-term climate is extremely sensitive to greenhouse gases and that their effects may linger for thousands of years. The study emphasizes the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions to prevent further global warming and sea level rise. It also underscores the close relationship between carbon dioxide levels and global temperatures, hinting at the potential consequences of continued fossil fuel burning. Across the globe, efforts are being made to transition away from coal. Climate financing deals and investments in clean energy are on the rise, with countries like China and India gradually shifting towards renewables. But the question remains, are these efforts enough to reverse the damage already done? And if not, what more needs to be done? In the European Union, for example, negotiations are underway to impose CO2 costs on suppliers of polluting fuels as part of a revamp of the EU carbon market. However, the proposal faces opposition from some member states who fear it would raise energy bills and harm poorer citizens. To sum it up, the recent spike in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, the highest in 14 million years, is a stark reminder of the climate crisis we face. It's a call to action, urging us to accelerate our efforts to reduce carbon emissions and invest more heavily in renewable energy. In the face of an escalating global energy crisis and increasing demand for coal, the need for immediate action is more pressing than ever. If we are to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 and avoid irreversible climate crisis impacts, we must stop investing in new fossil fuel infrastructure now. Our planet's climate is changing, and the time to act is now. We owe it to future generations to leave them a healthier, more sustainable world.